Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to track and analyze the data from our split test of the sales page. In order to do that, we are actually going to go to the home page. We're then going to go to the behavior tab, and then we're going to go to the experiment section. We get to the experiment section, you're actually going to see that there is a sales page test. You're going to click inside of that test, and you should start to see some things that are familiar based on what we did with the experiment of the squeeze page. You'll see the variance section at the bottom. You'll see that there is a conversion rate, and a comparison to the original, as well as a probability of outperforming the original, and all of the data available in this page. You'll also see that you can actually export your data into a PDF, and that you have control over the experiment on this page. Now, of course, it's important that we monitor the experiment, but we did set up a fail-safe in that we are going to be emailed if there are going to be any major changes in what happens with this data. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.